Hello and welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're painting a camellia, delicate, layered, and quietly powerful, often seen as a symbol of love, admiration, and inner strength. Camellias don't shout for attention, they simply bloom with grace, a soft, expressive bloom in loose watercolor. Let's start with quick pencil sketch. So I started from the background shadows, mixing a blend of purple and blue to your liking. Keep it loose and let the colors flow naturally. Go a bit darker underneath the flower. That contrast will help the petals pop later. Use watered down crimson red, soft and translucent. Let your brush glide in gentle curved strokes, leaving little gaps to let the light peek through. Don't worry about making them perfect. To add a soft light effect, I'm gently dabbing with a small piece of cotton. This lifts just a bit of pigment, creating that subtle glow you see in real petals. It's a simple trick, but it adds so much softness and depth. Now I'm adding a bit more red to deepen the shadows at the base of the petals. This helps create shape and dimension. If you notice too much pigment pooling, just blot your brush or use a tissue to gently lift the extra paint. We're aiming for soft transitions, not harsh lines. While the petals are drying, I start working on the darker tones in the leaves. To deepen the green, I mix in a little blue. This gives the flower time to rest before we add the next layer. I let the brush move softly, just a gentle dance. Then I'll come back and add light green to bring freshness and contrast to the leaves. Now that the petals are dry, I'm adding a second layer of red to build depth and richness. In the darker areas, I mix a touch of green into the red. This creates a deeper, more natural shadow tone. Gently layer it in, focusing on the base of the petals and where they overlap. It gives the flower a sense of form and softness without losing that loose watercolor feel. Now I paint the stem with burnt orange and green. Then I darken parts of the leaves to bring in depth and subtle contrast. For the center, I'm using acrylic paint marker and yellow gouache with small brush to add bold final details. It gives the flower a nice pop and contrast. And that's it. Our soft, expressive camellia is complete. Thanks for painting with me or watch and listen. See you in the next flower.